Are you a tech enthusiast always on the lookout for the latest gadgets? Look no further. Here are the 12 coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon right now. Get ready to be amazed by these innovative and fun products that are sure to elevate your tech game. 12. Philips Hue Gradient Cena. The Philips Hue Gradient Cena, a modern smart lighting fixture. It offers dynamic lighting effects and integrates with smart home systems for customizable ambience. Ideal for enhancing home decor and mood lighting, it supports voice control and syncs with music or movies for immersive experiences. 11. Orbit. 1. Rechargeable Can Opener. The electric can opener is a rechargeable device designed for convenience in the kitchen. It features a sleek, easy-to-use design that automatically opens cans with just the press of a button, making it ideal for those with limited hand strength or arthritis. The opener is portable and operates without the need for cords or batteries, using a rechargeable battery instead. Its efficient cutting mechanism ensures smooth edges on opened cans. This product offers a practical solution for effortless can opening, enhancing efficiency and ease in food preparation tasks. 10. The Celestron StarSense Explorer. The Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 130AZ telescope, designed for effortless stargazing. It integrates with a smartphone app that employs your phone's camera and GPS for automatic alignment of stars. This feature makes it user-friendly for beginners, as it eliminates the complex setup traditionally associated with telescopes. The telescope itself is a 130 mm Newtonian reflector, offering clear views of celestial objects. It's an accessible choice for astronomy enthusiasts looking to explore the night sky without the need for extensive astronomical knowledge or manual adjustments. 9. Smart Reusable Notebook. The Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook, a sustainable alternative that combines traditional note-taking with digital convenience. It uses special pages and a compatible app to capture handwritten notes and sketches, which can be uploaded to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. After use, simply wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth to reuse them, reducing paper waste. This makes it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who prefers a blend of analog writing and digital organization without sacrificing sustainability. 8. Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2, a high-tech mug that maintains your drink's temperature precisely via a smartphone app. Ideal for coffee and tea enthusiasts, it offers adjustable temperature settings, notifying you when your preferred temperature is reached. The mug keeps beverages hot for up to 80 minutes on a single charge, or all day on its charging coaster. Its durable stainless steel construction includes a leak-proof lid, suitable for travel and daily use. This gadget ensures your drink stays just right, catering to those who appreciate both technology and a perfectly heated beverage experience. 7. The Asus L1 MiniSmart Projector. The Asus L1 MiniSmart Projector is a compact device that offers wireless projection capabilities, ideal for presentations or entertainment. It features a 200 ANSI lumens brightness and supports 1080p resolution, ensuring clear visuals in various environments. The projector includes HDMI and USB-C ports for versatile connectivity with devices like laptops and smartphones. It also integrates smart functions for easy setup and navigation. This makes it suitable for both professional and personal use, providing flexibility and high-definition projection quality in a portable package. 6. Sandscape Relaxation Table. The Homedic Sandscape Relaxation Table is an innovative table combines art and relaxation therapy, featuring a unique design with moving sand and LED lighting. It creates mesmerizing patterns that can aid in meditation and stress relief. The table is crafted with a natural wood finish, blending well with home decor. It includes accessories like a rake and mini beach balls for interactive relaxation sessions. Ideal for personal use or as a decorative piece, the Sandscape table offers a calming experience through its soothing visuals and tactile interaction with flowing sand patterns illuminated by LEDs. 5. Bicolor LED Light Panel. The 5-ray bicolor LED light panel is a portable solution for photography and videography, offering adjustable color temperature from 2700K to 6200K to suit various lighting needs. It features a sleek design with a dimmable brightness range and can be powered via AC adapter or Sony NP-F series batteries, providing versatility for different shooting environments. The panel includes an LCD display for precise control and monitoring of settings. It's equipped with a U-mount bracket for easy mounting on light stands or tripods, making it ideal for both studio setups and on-location shoots. 4. LED Lighted Pocket Microscope. The Carson Micro Mini 20x60x LED lighted pocket microscope is a compact and portable tool ideal for magnifying objects for close inspection. It features adjustable magnification from 20x to 60x, allowing detailed observation of various specimens. The built-in LED light illuminates objects for clearer visibility, especially in low-light conditions. This microscope is designed for ease of use with its lightweight and pocket-sized structure, making it convenient for outdoor activities or fieldwork. It's powered by a single AA battery, ensuring long-lasting functionality. Overall, it's a handy gadget for hobbyists, educators, and anyone interested in exploring the micro world around them. 3. Portable mini fridge. The Astro AI portable mini fridge is designed for cooling beverages and snacks. Powered by a thermoelectric system, it can chill items up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, below ambient temperature, or warm them up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Celsius. With a 4-liter capacity, it's compact and suitable for personal spaces like bedrooms or offices. It features a removable shelf for organizing contents and is equipped with both AC and DC power adapters for versatile use in various settings, including vehicles. The fridge operates quietly, making it ideal for quiet environments, and its sleek design complements modern room decor. 2. Adjustable cervical pillow. The adjustable cervical pillow is designed for ergonomic support during sleep. It features orthopedic contours aimed at providing proper alignment and comfort for the neck and shoulders. This type of pillow typically includes adjustable heights or inserts to cater to different sleeping positions and preferences, promoting a more neutral spine alignment during rest. The materials used are often selected for their ability to provide support while remaining breathable and cool, which can enhance comfort, especially for those prone to overheating during sleep. Such pillows are commonly recommended for individuals experiencing neck pain or stiffness, as they aim to reduce pressure points and maintain a natural curvature of the spine. The product's ergonomic design suggests it could be particularly beneficial for individuals seeking better sleep quality through improved neck support and alignment, potentially reducing discomfort associated with improper sleeping positions. 1. Portable handheld baggage. The Atexity portable handheld baggage is scale with temperature sensor. This device is designed for travelers to accurately weigh their luggage, helping them avoid overweight baggage fees. It features a clear LCD display for easy reading, supports weights up to 110 pounds, 50 kilograms, and includes a built-in thermometer to measure temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius. The scale is compact and lightweight, making it convenient to carry during travels. It operates on batteries and offers a simple one-button operation for ease of use. This type of gadget is especially useful for frequent travelers or anyone who wants to ensure they stay within airline weight limits without surprises at the airport. Let us in the comments section which one will you buy. Thanks for watching.